Alright, YouTube, so we know this quad has great compression, everything seems to run right. Now this filter has had its very long use. We are not using that filter again. So we got this big boy, hoping that this thing fits. And it looks like it's just barely gonna fit. There we go. Big filter. Almost doesn't look like it fits, but I think it's just gonna barely fit. Grab ourselves a flathead. Pretty much always used uni filters, so it doesn't matter change this time. That's going anywhere. Let's make sure this all closes. Here we go. Start her up. Let's make sure there's no vibration noise. Nope. Nope. Not happy today. Alright YouTube, so I still have the new seat cover to put on, and you know, of course, the little side fairings and stuff, and I might replace the starter Bendex because I'm pretty sure that's shot as well. It makes a lot of clacking noise, and I know that's not the engine because the engine's got tons of compression. I really doubt I even have to adjust the valves right now, which will eventually get done. But actually, let me see if I can snake my hand in here. Make sure the carb is in there. Yep, carb is good. I always double check these things. But yeah, tell me what you guys think so far. So it seems like the Polaris Sportsman 300 can fit the 25-inch tires, the 25 by 8 by 12s in the front, and in the rear 25 by 10 by 12, and they seem to fit pretty well. They ain't going anywhere for sure. So let me take you guys for a little drive around. Let's see if I can keep this going. Oh. I have a new spark plug for it too, which has to go in. Definitely needs some more work, obviously, but I think she's doing pretty well for now. I think I'm just going to start running premium through it. I have regular in it right now, so I wasn't really sure what to put, and obviously the oil change has to get done without a doubt, but runs pretty well otherwise. Like I said, needs a few little things here and there, but nothing too crazy. And it's the perfect little beater quad just to rip around the yard a little bit. As you can tell, my yard wasn't that big, so it isn't that big, so this is perfect for me. And tell me what you guys think. That's all I got for now. Diesel Dan Peters signing out. Until the next video. Alright YouTube, so this spark plug is beyond shot. Let's take her out. I also want to make sure I got the right spark plug. Actually, it's not horrible. Looks to be right about there. It's just an old NGK CR8. We're replacing it with the Iridium version, so hopefully it runs just as well. Let's double check these. Make sure it's not too far out. Yep, looks good. Gently install it. So the last thing you want to do is strip out one of these holes. Alright, now just to tighten it. Right there, that should be perfect. Never want to go too hard with one of these. There we go. Keep doing. Let's see if it starts right up. Running a lot better too. See if I can raise this a hair without burning. Not too much. What is that? Definitely on the hot side. See if that works. plugs, by the way. They're so easy to do. It's one of the most simple things you can replace.
My hands are tied, and you resonate inside my bones. Don't know why I'm incapable while you're unstoppable. Some big black clouds, the unavoidable is raining down. I'm fading out into an endless hole. But when you come, everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So I'm just trying to fix the noise that I've been hearing with the engine. I'm not 100% sure if it's the timing chain or not, but it might be. But either way, this flywheel has to come off. We got to clean off this entire inside of here. This is disgusting. My God, it's just... Don't get me wrong, I knew this thing needed a servicing, but... Oof. It's just really bad. So, let's see if we can get this off. And hopefully the flywheel will come off too, because we might be replacing the timing chain. We'll see.
I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone. Everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.